I sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't try to tell lies. This blunt got me too high. I won't try to pretend. Hey love bumps, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I get these poppin' lime green stiletto nails. So if you are interested, stay tuned. So before we begin, your girl hands is a little ashy, so we're gonna put some lotion on before we start putting on these stiletto popping nails, because we can't have ashy hands and popping nails. So for my nails, I'm going to be using the Gold Finger Cocktail Curve nails. They retail for $3.99. Also a nail file, please don't mind mine. Mine went through a struggle. I'm also using D.I.Y nail polish remover, which retails for $2.99, which is my favorite. My NK Nika K nail polish in lime green, and also my Nika K nail polish in the Express Dry. Of course, I'm gonna lay down some paper towels so we don't make a mess, and we're gonna get started, honey. So to begin, we're gonna go in with my D.I.Y nail polish remover, just to remove any excess lotion off of my nails, because I did rub lotion on my hands. So next we're gonna go in with the nail filer, and we are going to smooth down these nails. So any excess nail polish or glue from your previous application, you want to remove those things off of your nails just to get a very smooth and neat application for your new set of nails. So now I'm going in with some more nail polish remover, and this is just to clean up the dust off of my hands. I'm also going to go in with a dry piece of paper towel as well to wipe off any excess that are around my hands and my fingers. And once I'm through dusting off my hands, I am just going to clean up that dust, and as you guys can see, laying down paper towel makes things very, very easy to clean. So next, going in with my cocktail curve nails, I am going to be matching them up with my nails to see which ones fit, and also they come with numbers, so it's easy to match. So now you can go in with any nail glue of your choice. I am going in with the Kiss nail glue, and I'm just going to be sticking these nails on. And once you basically match them up to fit your nails, it's easier to just apply, because I just line them up and I just stick each one on as I go, and I find it way more easier than just taking them out of the pack and gluing them on one by one. Just match them up with your nails so that you can apply them quick and easy. So once I'm done gluing them on, this is what they look like. I usually keep them like this, but we are going to get our scissors and we are going to cut these bad boys into some stiletto shaped nails, honey. Do not worry about the neatness, but worry about the shape that you are going for. So I'm going to be doing a close-up so you guys can see exactly what angle you need to be cutting your nails.
So a really quick side-by-side comparison. This is the shape that you should be going for, and this is what it should be looking like. So this is why I said not to worry about the neatness of the cut, but to worry about the shape, because once you cut the nails into the shape that you want, you're going to go in with your nail file and sand them down anyway. So basically I take the rough side of the nail file and I sand those bad boys down until my desired shape, and then I go in with the smoother side of the nail file just to smoothen out the nails and clean them up a bit so that they can have more of a cleaner look. And once you're done, they should look like this. Nail salon wear, bitch. No. DIY, do it yourself at home. So now moving on to my favorite part, the actual polishing of the nails. And of course you can go in with any color that you like, but you guys, I love doing this to my nails because I do hair, and every time I go to the nail salon and I waste my money doing my nails, I have to pop them off because somebody wants their hair done again. So this is a very cheaper way for me, and for any of you out there who go to the nail salon and have to take your expensive nails off, this is a great method to use. The nails are only $3.99, and if you have something to do that may be difficult with nails, you could just cut these off and reapply them whenever you want to go out or whenever you just want to look cute. So I love using NK Nika K nail polish because their colors are pretty opaque. So for these nails, I only do need 2 coats, but sometimes I go in just to be a little bit extra, but you can only use 2 coats and that would be fine. So going in with my second coat, we are going to clean these up and fill in anywhere that we've missed. So really quick tip, you guys, when doing your nails on your own, you are gonna need something that's gonna help your nails dry really fast. So this is why I use this. It dries them really quick. So if you have somewhere to go or something to do, they will be dry in time. Trust me, use that NK Nika K Express coat. It is a lifesaver. So once you are done, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. These nails are super cute, super bomb, super affordable, and anyone and everyone can do these nails. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys also found this super helpful. Click that subscribe button down below to become a part of the family, and also click that notification bell to never ever miss a next upload. And I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you all so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real